only 18 years old, 19 years old can work in the call center as long as he or she can speak English. So 95.5 employment rate, the Philippines recorded a strong 95.5 employment rate in early 2025, reflecting continued labor market recovery. Actually, we have that in World Bank, but we already, 50% of the utang of the Philippines is already paid because the year 2025. And 8.93 billion government infra push, the Build Better More program covers 194 flagship infrastructure projects valued at 9 trillion, boosting national connectivity and development. This is the source is coming from NEDA, the National Economy Development Authority. This is the economy sourcing body of the planning in the Philippines. So, 2028, the subway, the first ever subway in the Philippines will operate the first twin. So, if you can see in the Google, you can search it, that the Philippines is gonna have a subway. It's very, very beautiful. And traffic, will nababawasan siya. Okay, so the 5.95 comes from the tourism arrivals because the Philippines is one of the top tourist spot in the world, especially the Palawan. The Palawan is very beautiful. The Siargao for the surfing and the La Union, and of course the Boracay, the first class white sand. So that's it. The tourism is good also. It helps the economy of the Philippines. So the accessibility, Metro Manila Rail progress. So right now the MRT 7, 69.86 complete. So because of the traffic jam in the Philippines, so the government will do some ways to reduce the traffic. So the subway, the trains. And the bus right now in the Philippines, they have the special road, so you cannot experience the traffic anymore. So why invest in SMBC? So the SMBC is the first Philippine conglomerate to reach 1 trillion in market capitalization. So when you say conglomerate, it means that this is a diverse industries. This company has a diverse industries. It's different. They have different industries. They are into banking, they are into real estate, and malls. They have everything. Only airlines, I think. Okay. So these are the investment of the SM. So number one is the SMBC. SMBC is under the SM Prime. So, SMX Convention Center, the biggest convention center owned by and run by the C family. So, SM Hotels and Conventions, the Pico de Loro Beach and the Country Club is very beautiful. The Taal Vista Hotel also. This is located in Tagaytay, the Conrad of Manila. So, they franchise the Conrad Manila, So the Mall of Asia Arena, is very well known because of the concerts, the big events in the Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Miss Universe held in this arena. All the Korean, international celebrities, all their concerts held in MOA, Mall of Asia Arena. Of course, they have also other investments, the BRA, the TOGO, Tagaytay Highlands. Tagaytay Highlands is one of the best country club in the Manila, even in Asia. It's very beautiful. City of Dreams, Goldilocks, City Mall, My Town, Airspeed, Atlas Mining is, I think, it's number 3 mining company in the Philippines. So why invest in SMBC?